Alright, this is my Honda XR500R. I think it's the XR500R. Kind of like an older styled enduro. Not really sure if you can get this street legalized, but has the dual exhaust here. It comes out of the head, but leads into the one pipe. And this here, the guard right here, is really rusty like the pipe is itself right here. So I repainted that black. That looks a little bit better. This bike does have a lot of compression, so when you kick it, it gets stuck, and then sometimes you just have to, I can't even do it with my hand, but you just have to slowly kick it and then go one more time, then bring it back up and do another time. And just because it's got a lot of compression, it's really hard starting. I mean, this won't even move. It takes a lot of force to move that. It's stuck. But they took the baffle out, whoever had this before us, and it sounds really super loud. I mean, it hurts your ears from 100 yards away. You will hear this thing, even farther than that, you know. But I'm just saying, at a long ways away, you'll hear this thing. You'll know it's coming on its way. So I'll start it up. See if might take a bit. So yeah, I guess you could pretty much say it's straight pipe because the baffle's out. I know on smaller motorcycles, you can tell the difference by, it's not a lot, but you can tell the difference on smaller motorcycles. But with this thing, it's a whole new ball game. So